Hello, my name is Amanda Chambers, and I decided to do my research paper on preventing bullying in school. I decided to do this because it is something that is very close to my heart. I myself was bullied in elementary school as a parent of a child who is in the public schools, and as an educator, I've also seen it take place. It's a very, very serious problem. In fact, approximately 32% of students have been bullied, and 70% have seen bullying happen. And those are only rough estimates because, truthfully, a lot of these cases are not being reported. So I decided to see what steps we can take, but not only teachers, educators, but also the administration, and also starting at home with the parents. Through my research, I have come to find that there's a big common thread amongst all three of them, and that is educating not only themselves but each other. Educating themselves on the effects of bullying, on what can you do to help bullying, being able to identify the different types of bullying, and the indicators of a bully and a child being bullied. But not just that, share your knowledge. Parents, it's so important to educate your children, to educate them on what bullying is so they can recognize when it is happening to them. Educate them on the importance of not just being a bystander but standing up against it and not being afraid to go tell a teacher or to tell any adult that's around. For teachers, it's important to have it in your classroom, to make your classroom a safe haven for these children, to let them know that they can come to you and talk to you, that they can feel safe expressing how they feel. And it's important that we take each case seriously. We need to not dismiss these children anymore. Because too many times I've heard teachers say, oh, well, they're just playing, or just ignore them. And that is so detrimental because that's causing the bullies to think, well, I can continue to do this because nothing is happening. We have to stop the cycle, and the first way is to educate our children, our students, to let them know that it is not okay, that it does cause problems down the road. And for administrators, they're the leaders of the school. These children look up to them. So the big thing for them is to practice what they preach. Yes, a principal has to have a certain amount of authority, but it's also important for them to be a part of the student body and be present with the teachers and let the students see them act, how they act around other teachers and other students and the parents. Because once a student loses the respect of the administrator, they're not going to listen to anything that the principal has to say. So the bottom line here is prevention is plausible. It's not going to happen overnight, but if we take these steps that I laid out in my research paper, it can be helped. And over time, it could possibly just dwindle away. And that is my hope.